Today we will learn English greetings. Greetings are the first words you say to someone.
Yes, let's start. Anna, good morning.
Good morning, David. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
We say good morning in the morning. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Good morning.
Now in the afternoon we say, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anna.
Good afternoon, David. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
Repeat after us. Good afternoon.
And in the evening we say, good evening.
Good evening, Anna.
Good evening, David. How are you?
I'm tired, but I'm happy. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Repeat after us. Good evening.
Now you can also say hello or hi any time of the day.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, David. Nice to see you.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, David. How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Repeat after us. Hello. Hi.
And at the end, we say goodbye. Goodbye, Anna.
Goodbye, David. See you later.
See you later. Take care.
Repeat after us. Goodbye. See you later. Take care.
That's great. Now you know how to greet people in English.
Remember to practice every day. Use these words with your friends and family. When you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself.
Let's practice together. Anna, let's show everyone. I will introduce myself first.
Great idea. Go ahead, David.
Hello, my name is David. I am from the United States. I am 30 years old. I am an English.
Nice to meet you too, David. Now I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Canada. I am 28 years old. I am also an English teacher.
Did you hear that? Very simple. Just 4 things.
Yes, your name, your country, your age, your job.
Let's practice each one. First, your name.
To say your name, you say, my name is.
For example, my name is David.
Or you can say, I am David. Both are correct. Now fill in your own name. Say it out loud.
That's great.
Next, your country. To say your country, you say, I am from.
For example, I am from the United States.
Or, I am from Japan. I am from Brazil.
Repeat after us. I am from.
Nice. Next, your age. To say your age, you say, I am years old.
For example, I am 30 years old.
Repeat after us. I am years old.
Now say your own age.
Very good. And last, your job. To say your job, you say, I am.
For example, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a doctor.
Repeat after us. I am a.
Now say your own job.
That's great.
Now let's put it all together. Listen to me first. Hello, my name is David. I am from the United States. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Now listen to me. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Canada. I am 28 years old. I am a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after us, slowly.
Hello, my name is. I am from. Years old. I am. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. You just introduced yourself in English. Now let's learn one more thing. After you introduce yourself, people will ask you questions.
Yes, let's practice some common questions.
The first question is, where are you from?
David, where are you from?
I am from the United States. Where are you from, Anna?
I am from Canada. Now you try. Someone asks you, where are you from? Answer out loud.
Good job.
The next question is, what do you do? This means, what is your job?
Anna, what do you do?
I am a teacher. What do you do, David?
I am also a teacher. Now you try. Someone asks, what do you do? Answer out loud.
That's great.
The last question is, how old are you?
David, how old are you?
I am 30 years old. How old are you, Anna?
I am 28 years old. Now you try. Someone asks, how old are you? Answer out loud.
Nice.
Now David and I will have one full conversation. Listen carefully.
Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Hello, David. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from the United States. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am a teacher too. How old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30 years old. It's so nice to meet you, Anna.
It's nice to meet you too, David.
That's great. You did a wonderful job today.
Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.